Today we'll be doing leveling out the floor. There's holes in here that we have to fill out. This is basically the original foundation for where the house was. The original flooring, so these areas have to be filled in. Self-levels as well. Cut up all these hedges that we can and then level out these hedges that we have. Over here we have a big dome of a slope. So you can see this. It's almost like a big dome that goes this way. So we've rented the machine to attach it can do it. So first, get the area prepped. Pick up all the stuff that you can take up by hand. Do so, scrape it up if you have to. Countersink all the screws that you can inside the holes before you start to do anything for grinding or sanding. Today we rented the EZ8. This is a rental from the Home Depot. So far it's not sure if it's good enough yet, but we're going to give it a try. On this machine here, it uses belt sanders like this. I use a 180 grit, really heavy 180, and maybe a 200 after. This now, the task is just to basically to level this out as much as we can. There's a bump there, and then go around and see how much areas that we can level out as well. All the areas that you can see that, like I said, if there's stuff that you can pick up, do so.